Hello, I'm Hamish Wilson. Minus7 sells building integrated heat and power, renewable heat and power. I think you'll have discovered that heating has been the Cinderella of the renewable energy industry, but my job in Minus7 is to turn it into a princess. A number of reports have been written on the UK energy market and showing that if the UK is to reach its climate budgets, its carbon budgets, it has to decarbonise heating, and it has to therefore get gas out of heating. A number of these reports also say that the route to get there is through heat pumps. And the problem with heat pumps is they increase the electricity demand, and therefore we have to build more power generation. Wrong. Minus7 has got integrated thermal storage and electrical storage as part of our system, and we can degas or electrify the UK's heating market without any impact on the grid. My name is Hamish Wilson. I'm from the dark side. I'm an oil geologist. I've done 35 years in oil exploration. I started with BP, formed my own consulting company and sold it. I was inveigled to join Minus7, invested in Minus7, and then 18 months ago I became CEO with a view to fully commercializing this product, offering and raising money. First about the technology. We supply low carbon heat and power to buildings. We have 3 components. We provide the whole roof, and I've got a section of it here, with embedded PV. The roof is integrated with a heat pump, and we have 2 thermal stores, the hot store and the cold store. We heat the building from the hot store, and that means we can choose when we run the heat pump, so we offer genuine demand-side management. We also have partnered with Tesla, and so we're able to offer batteries with this. So you have PV, thermal and electrical storage, all in a single package. We have partner companies making our roof, making our PV. We have Sapa Profiles, GB Sol, DCI Enertech, and Viglo provide the pumps. So effectively, Minus7 is a sales and logistics company. Our job is to assemble the kit and bring it to site. So there's our solar roof. This is the future of roofing, where we can do both heat and power from the same roof. And that looks like a slate tile roof from the ground. Let me tell you about the company. The company's been going for 6 years. We spent, essentially as a lifestyle company, getting through all the certifications. I joined 18 months ago. I formed a management team. I've partnered with the inventor, Alistair Hunter. I've got a finance director, marketing, the full works, so we're fully ready to go. I put some money in myself. I raised £1 million, closed this March, with a set of clear deliverables to get this certified, to get the heat pump certified, and to win multi-home contracts. Now, we've now got 60 dwellings with our technology, and it's proven to work. We've also been aggressively selling our kit. Our main market is to social housing and small developers. We haven't yet penetrated the mass housing market. We've got about a 20 million pipeline, 5 million. We'd aim to have a 5 million order book towards the end of this year, and we'll look to have about £1 million turnover this year. And next year's turnover is scheduled to be about 5 million or 3 million. But I think that's not good enough. Our challenge is to get into the market at scale. And what we'd like to be able to do is change the business model by giving the system away. And we're able to take properties off the grid with minimal off the grid with minimal impact on the grid. The intent is to give the system away and to recover the revenue either through a contract for difference contract, or the renewable heat incentive, or the feed-in tariff. We can sell energy at 25% less than gas. We can sell the energy at a discount to gas and a discount to electricity. At scale, we also can offer demand-side response. To put that into numbers, to put our system into 5,000 homes would cost about £70 million. That generates a revenue of about £7 million in energy sales and some sort of demand response revenue. That gets an IRR of about 25% on the incremental cost. We're also looking for equity in Minus7. So we're looking for a partner who can help take us to market. At scale, you can see the scale of the distributed generation we could have in 5,000 homes, PV capacity, heat capacity. So we become a virtual power station. So our challenge now is to look for a partner to put this system in every house in the UK. Thank you.